Hi, welcome to Incredible TV. Why people want to have a religion? Today I am going to explain it based on Buddhism. There are lots of arguments on this in the entire world depending on the social, political and economical concern. But it is true that nobody can summarize or conclude the real reasons due to the debates which variety of philosophies. But the man is searching something to happiness from his birth to death. At the beginning, the child is depending on his or her mother. Mother needs to feed him, need to take care of him, look after him. So the early childhood is total dependence from the society. In deep study, it is understand that life is always suffering. Even though the child is making him happy temporarily by having breast milk, smell of mother, scene of mother, hearing to mothers or touching her. But he cannot continue this happiness as child want. Again, he has to suffer to happiness. That is impermanent quality of life. As a teenager, he changed his desires to another requirements for achieve his happiness. Sometimes it may be sports, attraction to other genders, dancing, clothes, so and so. But still he realized that he cannot not continue this happiness due to the impermanent quality of above requirement. Then again he would be suffering. In the young age, he is trying to achieve his happiness through money, wealth, houses, vehicles, marriage, children, professionalism, so and so. Still he cannot deviate from the impermanent quality of life. Again, it will remain suffering. Then the middle age, also people are suffering and struggling to have happiness through changing their desires, and they also cannot continue with happiness. Old age also same. When we summarize the entire life, birth, aging, sickness, death are all common suffering component of the life. So people cannot maintain their body and mind as they want. All depends from other elements. It also kind of suffering. Further, detachment from the beloveds, contact with unpleasant people also are the causes of sufferings. Hence, people are looking for a solution for this suffering. Then they will not find a solution through change in desires. And they expect the permanent solution from the religions. That is why the people want a religion as taught by the Buddhism. Thank you very much for watching Incredible TV.